Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can update Microsoft Office. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So first is we just need to open any of the Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 Office products like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and OneNote. Now let's open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Now, click on the blank document. Okay, so once done, you just need to simply click on the File tab at the ribbon. The first tab at the top, click on the File tab. And here you'll find More. Click on Account. So you have Close Account and Options. Click on Account. And from here, you can also find the version of your Microsoft Office. So the current version of my Microsoft Office is Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. So in order to update this, you will find these update options from here. So click on this drop down and you have the option to update now. Check for and apply updates. So in order to update our Microsoft Office, just simply click on this update now option. And now this is checking for updates. And let's just wait in a while for this to be updated. Okay, so you just have to wait for this until this update will be done. So it will state from here that it is up to date once this is done updating. This may take a while depending on the updates to be downloaded. So in your case, you just have to simply wait for that and wait for it to state that download is or they update or the Microsoft Office is updated. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.